testing. We need to know what is the headless browser testing. Basically, headless browser testing, which is it will be run without the UI part in the browser session, and it will run the behind the scene. What? Why do you need that? Or do you need that? Or yeah, we need that because sometime for unit test purpose, the developer can use the headless browser testing. It make them more confidence and make sure that whatever they build is working properly, and after that they go to the next level. And also sometimes browser is not ready for testing, so then for that reason you can also do the behind the scene, how basically all the code and element is working properly or not. So let's see guys, what how is it, how we can implement this thing. It's a very easy, very simple code. We're gonna add my existing code over here. We have very easy and very existing code we're gonna use here. So we're gonna create a one simple we're gonna create a one branch. We're gonna create a branch name is headless. Okay, we can check out the branch. So now I have a branch for headless. Let's create a something. So now we have a existing skill base over here. So we need a one statement. I'm gonna here else if, and then I'm gonna say it over here if, what is my condition, and that my condition I'm gonna copy here, whatever I have condition over here, same condition here, just over here you can provide here name, whatever you want to provide guys. Okay, just do meaningfuls. Okay, we're gonna do it Chrome, support the Chrome here. So now what is the part? We need the Chrome driver path. So we already have this thing, we're gonna use it. Okay, so what we need next, we need to have here Chrome option, Chrome option class. We're gonna say Chrome option, we create object options, and then it's a new, and then again Chrome options. Okay, this part is done. Now use this object and add some argument, which is we're going to provide here headless, because we want to provide here we want to run the headless. We want to tell our Chrome to run the headless, and then again options or add argument, we're going to provide here window size. Okay, window dot, not dot, sorry, window not dot slash, not slash I mean hyphen, and equal, I'm gonna here 1400 size. Size is important. If you don't have window size, your test will be fail, element will be not find out, because this is not a browser session, is a behind the scene they're looking for, so you need to provide the window size. Okay guys, so now which is multiply 800. Okay, so I think that will be enough. And then I said over here driver equal, sorry, driver equal new Chrome driver. Am I right? That's what you want, new Chrome driver. And in that Chrome driver, with these options, which object we pass in the argument, which is we should provide here. Okay, we should not ignore that. That's so this simple code will be run our headless browser. So now what we're going to do over here, we use the pass the headless Chrome. So we're going to go to our regression suite. Over here we already provide, and now change from here to here. So now that will be run your test. So what will be see, you will be see here your test result, and you're not going to see any browser opening. If you also open session open, it will be not show the UI, so make sure that. Okay, so now let's run the test. Our test is browser session is opening, but there is no browser opening over here. You can see here. Okay, there is no Chrome is opening here. Okay, verified login already started. This my simple test case, and our login verify this XPath, everything's clicks and test pass properly. That's it. Boom. So you don't see any UI. There's no UI session is open. Okay, there's no UI session open. No UI session verification. This basically just running the behind the UI scene, which is the browser session, not browser session, headless browser. That means without browser in HTML unit level is running the test. Okay, it will be give confidence to the developer and you and your team vibration. If sometime maybe the browser have problem, browser is not up to date, or browser has always browser version have problem, or some categories you are facing problem, you can run on the headless browser, and those kind of issue you can avoid it. Okay, and quick smoke test, quick unit test for browser this headless browser test is very helpful. It will be help to the developer team, and also continuous for CI/CD purpose. I strongly suggest use the headless browser testing. Thank you so much, guys. That's it for today. Next video will be up very soon. Feel free to put in the comment section if you have any question, and feel free to like the like button. And I will be push this code to the this headless branch. You can find out in my service. Okay, thank you so much.